Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to another video. In this tutorial, I will be showing you how you can actually solve any homework you have using ChatGPT. This ChatGPT can solve any question, any homework or anything that your profs gives you. Of course, you have to try to make it by your own, but in case you were tired or you didn't understand how to manage to solve a problem or a homework, you can get to use the ChatGPT. Well, now how we can actually use this function. First of all, you go ahead and go to openai.com, and from there we try ChatGPT. Now let's try to talk to it and let's see if it is working. Now it is answering us, so that's good. Now what you are going to do is let's just copy the whole exam or the whole homework and let's paste it here. Now let's see how will it treat it. So now it will start answering us. So to find the odds, it will answer us with some details and it will give us everything. So now as you can see, it's given each question its own answer. So now as you can see, among all the previous lists, find the odds fast enough to resolve this. So it is to find it is giving us everything about it. So in here it eliminate those two small detectors, surface select the photodiode, and here it is. Now it is giving us every single answer. Of course, you can use that on every other domain. For example, programming. For example, let's say write me a script using HTML and JavaScript and CSS and PHP, and create a website with a game on it. So sure, here is an example. I will start with a great game, with a game that uses HTML, JavaScript, CSS and PHP, and it will start giving you like the source code and everything about this code. As you can see, it's giving us even the links to our style sheet, text CSS, style CSS. Sometimes it will glitch like that because if you refresh the page, as you can see, we are experiencing exceptionally higher demand. But anyways, like as I said before, if we go down and we write it again, let's try it again for once, and yeah, sometimes it will work for you guys, sometimes it will glitch because as you can see, it is a really long script to go for. So as you can see, it must write as HTML code, then go to a JavaScript code, then a CSS code, then a PHP code. So it will take a lot of time for it to do all of these tasks, but by the end it will give you the code. So now it's done with HTML. Now as you can see, it started with the CSS. As you can see, now it's making the code, so it's making now the body, and it will keep doing that until the end and until it will finish all your scripts. So yeah guys, that's how you can actually make or solve any problem or homework using the ChatGPT AI. So thank you guys for watching till now, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.